Hi everyone, and welcome to the 5 hours of recycling. There are 5, but we might hit a 6. So it's refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose, recycle, and we're probably going to do a little bit of repair. Let's go check it out. What a stroke of luck. I was going to do something on recycling, and our Coca-Cola and Phoenix have started an Earth initiative. That's fantastic. Well done, guys. I suppose refuse is the most important because it is top of the list. And that's actually happening at places like this, where you used to get these all in little plastic bags. Now you can say, no thank you, I'll just take it in my own bag. No packaging. Absolutely no packaging. On the reduce side, a lot of the fast foods have now started using paper instead of plastic. Like the McDonald's cup covers. They're now paper. Even their straws are paper. They're not that great, let me assure you, but they are good for the environment. All the vendors that sell foods these days have to use cardboard boxes. So what's really great is that now we can finally get our Chinese in boxes like they have in the movies. How cool is that? What a perfect example of reusing. Old rum bottles for chilies. You've pretty much always been able to buy Coca-Cola in glass, and so these are reused. And of course, because I have to, most of the local beers. And you can buy them in crates, which are also reusable. Great one, guys. Reusing pallet wood has become really, really big in Mauritius. And look at this, just outside the pharmacy. Beautiful ceiling. This is the butcher's shop. Look at what they've done with pallet wood. This is unbelievably beautiful. Wow. Really nice. Is that a recycled Harley Davidson? I guess these book nests are also a recycling. These books are not going to end up in a land dump. Instead, someone is going to take one home and put one back. And someone's got a DVD of Monty Python. You know I love my old bricks, so I couldn't help bringing them into this. But that's technically repurposing. Riki's got a great little piece of repurposing.
Yeah, they use old magazines and they make jewelry and bowls and all sorts of things. They're really, really pretty.
And it's one of her favorite pieces of jewelry, surprisingly. This is one of the old plastic bottle crushers that would reduce its waste and be able to take it to a recycling plant. I'm not sure if you can see it with the beautiful sea behind me. But also, we got MaxiClean. That's why these beaches and even the streets, that's why they are so pristine and clean, is MaxiClean comes and cleans it up. These are the bio oil boxes where you can drop off your old cooking oil. This is the oil. So they obviously haven't collected in a little bit. Not only will they recycle it, but they'll also plant a tree. Underground at La Croisette, they have loads of recycling bins for almost everything you need to throw away, including e-waste. If you've got an old cell phone or something to throw away, this is the place to do it. And they've got loads of bins. Even out here in La Croisette, you've got some quick bins just to quickly throw away your recyclables. Old dishwashing liquid, stick bags, all of them being melted and extruded out. They've got a furnace, they heat it up, and they take all these old plastic things and turn them into these modern ones. Wow, recycling actually working in Mauritius. And we just saw those plastic benches being made in Cottage, but here they actually are. They got the best view at the moment. And there's another bench. I would go and sit on them right now if I was allowed, but there we are. That is recycling at its finest. And who can forget my shoe repair by Noah? Don't worry everyone, he and I have worked things out. But there are lots of other people who do repairs, like that guy in Lalmati, and the guy fixing the umbrellas in Quatreborn. So there is also a lot of repairing going on. This is an umbrella and this man here is actually repairing it.
Yeah, don't throw it away, get it repaired.
Yeah. I suppose it's appropriate that I do my outro next to a recycled bus. Yeah, you can recycle things into art as well. This is a controversial subject, and yeah, I tried to just show you some of what Mauritius is doing at the moment. Their scorecard's not great, but it is getting better, which is good news. And I think us doing our part helps a little bit as well. So try and do your bit. But enough long lectures. Mauritius is getting better at recycling, so that's always good news. Thanks for watching, everyone.